10 responses to how are you in Japanese.
Are you keeping saying 私は元気です when someone asks you how are you? Even if you are not doing well but not sure how to respond?
Hey guys, Ian here. This is honestly something I struggled with a lot when I first started learning. I kept saying the same thing.
I got you. By the end of this video, you will know several ways to respond when someone says how are you and how to sound much more natural in Japanese. Let's get started. それよくある Everyone learns 私は元気です But we don't really say it like that to friends, right?
Right. Felt super stiff, like interview mode.
Yeah. So today, let's fix that. First, casual way. Say after me. Casual. 元気だよ. Polite. 元気です.
元気だよ. 元気です.
Good. Now, if you are just okay, not super great, you can say まあまあかな? まあまあです.
Okay. まあまあかな? まあまあです. Oh, kana. Sounds kind of laid back, like you're still thinking of it.
Exactly. It's softer, more natural.
When I was a beginner, I literally just said, Genki desu every time, even when I was super tired.
Haha, totally get it. Okay, what if you are tired? Say, Nemusugiru, 眠たいです.
Nemusugiru, 眠たいです. That's me every Monday.
Same here. Now, if you are feeling great, you can say, いい感じ、いい感じです.
いい感じです. Sounds powerful. Like better than I'm just fine.
Exactly. More energy. Let's learn even more. Sometimes you want to say so-so. We say, ぼちぼちだよ。ぼちぼちです.
Hang in there. Bochi Bochi dayo. I'm doing okay. Bochi Bochi desu.
If it's not so great, いまいちかな? いまいちです.
Not great. Imaichi kana. It's not great. Imaichi desu.
When everything feels normal, you can say 普通だよ。普通です.
Pretty normal. Futsuu dayo. Nothing special. Futsuu desu.
When it's kind of meh, and say 微妙だね。微妙です.
It's kind of meh. Bimyou dane. It's not good. Bimyou desu.
When it's not okay, not amazing, but fine, そこそこだね。そこそこです.
Not bad. Soko Soko dane. Pretty okay. Soko Soko desu.
If someone asks, how are you? Politely, you can say, おかげさまで元気にしています.
Okagesama de genki ni shite imasu. This one confused me when I first heard it.
Yeah, it's like, thanks to you, I'm fine, even if they're not directly involved. It's polite.
Japanese is so polite, but I kind of like it.
そうだね. It feels warm. Nice. Now you've got so many ways to answer how are you naturally.
Today I learned so much more than Genki desu.
Yeah, next time someone asks you Genki, you have options now.
I'll surprise them like, Bochi Bochi dane.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
More practice, you'll get more natural Japanese conversation. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。